Hi, I'm Lucy and I'm here to introduce you to your finance team's new best friend, Pleo Invoices, our end-to-end invoice product that handles the entire life cycle of your invoices. I'm going to run you through the 3 stages of managing your invoices in Pleo, from getting them into Pleo to paying them to integrating them into your accounting system. To get started, an admin will need to go to the Invoices tab in the Pleo web app. Getting invoices into Pleo is really simple. Each company gets their own email to send invoices into Pleo. You can edit this email, but remember, you can only change it once. If you'd prefer, you can also drag one or multiple invoices onto this page. Your team are also able to submit their invoices via the mobile Pleo app. Once the invoice has been sent to Pleo, it will appear in the Invoices dashboard, and we will have already pulled out all of the important information. If we can't pull everything off, we'll let you know so you can manually add it. Once all of the vital information is in, all an admin needs to do is head to the invoice and click Approve. Once approved, the invoice is ready for payment, and there are 3 ways to do this. First, you can simply choose to pay now, and it should be with the supplier within a few hours. Then you can schedule your invoices for a payment run. Finally, for those direct debits paid elsewhere, you can mark them as paid, allowing you to reconcile the invoice in your accounting system. You can get invoices into your accounting system at any time. We have direct integrations with Xero, Sage and QuickBooks Online. Simply add the invoice to the export queue and sync it. We also support custom CSV files. If you're a Xero user, you have the added power of being able to export an invoice at any lifecycle stage, with the invoice status synced and updated in real time. So by adding Pleo Invoices on top of your existing Pleo services, your finance team will be enabled to handle all company spending from Pleo. If you want more details or updates, head to pleo.io/invoices or head to the Pleo blog.